This program will show you safe operating procedures when using Echo pole pruners. You'll hear about 4 main areas you should be concerned with: personal protection, equipment safety, startup and operating safety, and safe cutting techniques. However, the first and most important safety factor is you. Most accidents are a result of carelessness or not following recommended safety practices. We'll show you correct operating procedures and the proper use of safety equipment to protect you and reduce the risk of danger. Echo's first concern is always with operator safety. We'll show you what safety equipment to wear. You'll learn how correct operation and close attention to built-in features will make your job easy and safe. We'll show you what safety precautions to take before, during, and after operating your pole pruner. And finally, we'll show you what safety precautions to take to reduce danger from natural forces such as pull, push, and kickback. You'll learn about what we call the danger zone, an area of about 15 meters or 50 feet around the operator. As you watch this program, unsafe practices will be identified like this. This video is designed to give you only an overview of safe operating practices. For complete information, review the operator and safety manuals included when you purchased, rented, or borrowed this equipment. If a safety manual was not included with this equipment, contact Echo Incorporated at the phone number listed at the end of this video. After watching this short program and reviewing the operator and safety manuals, you should have a better understanding of the factors that affect safe operation of Echo pole pruners. Let's take a close look at the most important safety factor: you, the operator. You should be in good physical and mental health in order to operate the equipment safely. Do not use equipment when under the influence of alcohol, medication, or substances that can affect your vision, dexterity, and judgment. Before using any power equipment, be sure to thoroughly read and understand the safety and operator's manuals. Familiarize yourself with the caution labeling on your pole pruner by referencing your owner's manual. Basic features you should know about include reduced kick saw chain, location of stop switch, and grips. Let's look at some general safety practices that will help reduce your risk of personal injury when operating your pole pruner. Here's what you should do for your own personal protection. Always wear a hard hat when working on trees. Clothing should be of sturdy, protective material. It should be snug-fitting to reduce snagging, but roomy enough for freedom of movement. Do not wear loose or dangling clothes, neckties, scarves, or jewelry which could snag or become entangled in the saw chain, blade, power head, or underbrush. Wear protective covering for long hair. Do not operate a pole pruner bare-legged. Wear long pants. Leg chaps and loggers pants of ballistic material are available and should always be worn when using short-reach models. Always wear safety-tip boots or shoes with non-slip soles. When operating in hot, humid weather, be aware that heavy clothing, which provides more protection than lighter items, can cause operator fatigue, heat stroke, or heat exhaustion. Wear heavy-duty non-slip gloves or vibration reduction gloves for improved grip, as well as protection against cold and vibration. When working outdoors in cold weather, be certain to maintain warm body temperatures and good blood circulation, particularly in your hands. Limit the number of hours of cutting operation and perform arm exercises during breaks. The operator must always wear ANSI-approved eye protection. This protects you from objects tossed by the cutting saw chain and may offer some protection against other thrown objects. Echo safety goggles or glasses available from your authorized Echo dealer are stamped Z87. This indicates that they are in compliance with ANSI Z87.1 standards for eye protection. ANSI is the American National Standards Institute. Prescription glasses may be worn under safety goggles. Disposable dust masks are helpful in reducing the intake of allergy-causing particles. A safety helmet meeting ANSI standards should always be worn. If operating conditions require additional protection, a ventilated face shield may be worn, but safety glasses must also be used underneath. OSHA requires ear protection for more than 2 hours of continuous unit operation. If hearing protection is not worn, hearing loss may occur after frequent and lengthy exposure to engine noise. ECHO recommends hearing protection whenever you use any power equipment. You can reduce hearing damage by use of either headset-type protectors or earplugs. Protect others while you work. Keep spectators, children, and animals more than 15 meters or 50 feet away while you work. However, you should never operate a pole saw when you are alone. Arrange to have someone remain within calling distance, outside the danger zone, in case you need help. Now that you know about the steps to take for personal protection, let's look at equipment safety. Do not operate a unit in disrepair or with damaged or missing parts. All service or repair work should be done by an authorized ECHO dealer only. Be sure that the saw chain or blade stops moving when the throttle control trigger is released. If this is not the case, have the unit serviced before using it. On guide bar and saw chain configured pole saws, proper saw chain tension cannot be maintained if the drive sprocket is worn or if the guide bar has shifted. The guide bar must also be properly clamped to the pole saw, be in good condition, and be properly lubricated to maintain proper tension. Always disconnect and move the spark plug wire away from the spark plug before you work on the unit or leave it unattended. When transporting your pole pruner, use the appropriate guide bar scabbard or blade scabbard.